Here in Wisconsin, we're starting to feel the full winter season. It seems like every year after Thanksgiving is done, that the year just speeds by and Christmas is here and gone before we know it. As my boys are getting older, I truly take the time to slow down during the holidays and enjoy some holiday crafts with them, baking, and also we're starting some new holiday traditions with them since they're getting older as well. We have several new releases and exciting announcements to share with you, but before I dive into all of the details, remember that you can find all of the links to the items that I talk about in the video in the links below in the description. At the beginning of the month, we decided to launch our annual freebie early this year so that way you could have time to make one for the holidays. I'm very excited to introduce you to our newest pattern named Ruth. Whether you're heading to a concert or sporting event, this transparent bag will keep your belongings secure yet visible, allowing you to breeze through security checks. This bag has a roomy interior, contrasting accents, and optional features to suit your style. The name of this pattern was inspired by the legendary baseball icon, Babe Ruth. This pattern is currently only free to our newsletter subscribers, so if you're not yet a subscriber of our newsletter, we've added a link below so you can grab your free pattern. Not only can this pattern be made out of clear vinyl, but you can also make it from other non-woven fabrics such as cork or faux leather, micro suede, and even fur. It's a very customizable pattern and it's fun to showcase some cork prints if you're a member of our Cork of the Month Club. We're very excited to see how you customize your Ruth bag and the memories that you make with it, so be sure to tag us with the hashtag Sallie Tomato. Our new cork fabric this month is called Lumberjack Plaid, and this design dates back to the early 1800s and some even say the early 1700s, and it's here to stay. There are a few versions of how buffalo plaid came to be. One comes out of Scotland, where Clan MacGregor brought it to America, and the other one being that the founder of Woolwich would travel in a mule cart through Pennsylvania in the 1850s, selling these check shirts to the wives of lumberjacks. Either way, you can't go wrong with a stunning lumberjack plaid cork bag or wallet. Pair this cork fabric with any of our beautiful red or black cork or faux leather, or even show it off on its own. We can't wait to see how you use this new lumberjack print cork. This month, we also have some exciting new kits to share with you from our top selling patterns. Brand new to our website, we recently launched new kits of the Sloane Convertible backpack, our ever popular backyard caddy with a brand new video tutorial, and Ginger Kits, which is one of our best-selling beginner-friendly crossbody bags. Be sure to subscribe to our monthly newsletter email to be the first to know about these brand new kits that we're putting together for you. And as always, we love seeing the Sallie Tomato bags that you make, so be sure to tag us with hashtag Sallie Tomato so we can see it and celebrate your new project with you. In addition to these great new kits, we have some new Sallie Tomato merch that we are so excited to share with you. You may have noticed photos of our Sallie Tomato team modeling our new t-shirt assortment. We have 2 new styles of shirts in 3 different colors for you to wear and show off your sewing and Sallie Tomato pride. We hope you enjoy these designs as much as we do. If you've been following along on social media, you may have noticed that we are about halfway through of unboxing one of our favorite product launches of the year, which is the Sallie Tomato Advent Box. The unboxing began on December 1st, and we have been posting a picture each evening of the gift that was opened that day, so you can follow along with everybody who purchased a box and see all the goodies that were inside the Advent Box. On December 25th, Christmas Day, which is the final gift in the Advent Box, we will be launching an unboxing video with myself and Audra so you can see all of the gifts at once and all of the holiday magic that was inside the box. Every year, it's our hope that this box inspires the new year ahead, and if you didn't get a chance to participate in this year's box, we'll be launching our 2024 box in July. As you know, the clock is ticking on those last minute makes, so we have written a blog post with some last minute Christmas ideas to make handmade gifts this holiday season. We hope this blog will help spur some ideas on those final gifts to check off your Christmas list. Caitlin, our social media specialist, has also wrote a fun blog recapping our Cork of the Month Club designs of 2023. So if you've been wondering what has been inside our Cork of the Month all year long, go ahead and check out the blog for inspiration. It is getting so close to our annual New Year's Eve event with Sulky. We hope you have the event marked on your calendars and are looking forward to spending the new year with us. Unfortunately, the shipping deadline to guarantee a kit in time for New Year's Eve has passed. We do still have some kits available, so you can certainly still purchase a kit or use supplies that you already have at home to sew along with us on New Year's Eve. During the event, I will show you how to make the Veronica bag pattern from start to finish, and Ellen March of Sulky of America will be showing how to make embroidered charms to adorn on your handmade bags. Even if you don't sew along with us on New Year's Eve, there will be so much information and inspiration inside this year's event that you won't want to miss. There will also be the chance to win amazing door prizes, and during this live event, you'll be able to chat with friends around the world as we count down to the new year. It's such a fun, interactive event to participate in, so I hope you'll join us on New Year's Eve. Each month, I always like to share some behind the scenes with you, and this past month at Sallie Tomato, we had Friendsgiving with our entire team. It was so much fun to get together and try everybody's favorite recipes for Thanksgiving. We also had our second annual Sewing and Craft Night. Anyone on our team was welcome to come to the office and sew. It was fun to see the variety of projects that everyone was working on. The Sallie Tomato team is a passionate group of makers, and it is so fulfilling to see everyone being creative together. We truly live creatively here at Sallie Tomato, and I am so grateful for that. We've also been having a lot of fun in the office, sharing mischief and pranks with our latest pattern, Sallie the Elf. You can follow along on social media each day to see the shenanigans that she's been up to. It's hard to believe that this will be one of the last videos of the year before 2024 begins. I hope to sew along with you on New Year's Eve, but if not, we wish you a joyous holiday season and a very happy new year.